Unraveling the English Language, Mastering Advanced Homophones. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today we're diving deep into the world of homophones. Now, these aren't just your ordinary, everyday homophones. We're taking it up a notch to explore advanced homophones and how they function in context. So, buckle up and get ready for a linguistic journey. Let's start at the very beginning. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings. They may or may not be spelled the same. It's their pronunciation that links them together. Examples include pear and pear, flower and flower, or break and break. This can make them tricky in spoken language, but even more so in written language where context is key. It's one thing to know what homophones are. It's another to recognize and use them correctly in context. This is where we enter the world of advanced homophones. These can include words like build and build, whole and whole, allowed and allowed. Context helps us understand which word fits correctly in the sentence. Now, let's put our knowledge to the test with some advanced exercises. We'll give you sentences where a homophone needs to be identified and used correctly. 1. The new building was __ last year. Build, build. 2. You are not __ to shout in the library. Allowed, allowed. 3. There is a __ in the ground. Whole, whole. The correct answers are built, allowed, and whole, respectively. Remember, context is king. The key to mastering homophones is consistent practice. Don't be discouraged if you get some wrong. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Keep practicing, and soon you'll see a significant improvement. That wraps up our lesson on advanced homophones in context. As we've seen, understanding homophones is a crucial aspect of mastering the English language. We hope this lesson has been useful and enjoyable. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!